Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fusion speakers. Easy method. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Remove door panel clips gently with a trim tool to prevent scratches. Label each connector and keep screws in separate containers for easy reassembly. Test new speakers before reinstalling panels to confirm sound and polarity are correct for the best listening experience. Next, we'll remove the door panels in a calm, steady way that protects trim and clips. Start with the window switch bezel and handle trim, then remove visible screws. Use a plastic trim tool and work around the panel to release each clip without cracking it. Lift the panel up to clear the window channel once clips are free. Keep all fasteners in a labeled container so reassembly is quick and accurate. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more easy car projects. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with crisp sound and simple voice control, and it pairs well with a freshly upgraded car audio setup for home listening. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we swap the speakers with a few simple checks to ensure sound quality and fit. Remove the old speaker by disconnecting its plug and unscrewing the mount. Compare the replacement to confirm diameter and connector match and maintain correct polarity. Fasten the new speaker firmly, but don't over-tighten screws. Reconnect power briefly to test audio and confirm there are no rattles before reinstalling the door panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.